Alright guys, welcome to our analysis. I've already gone ahead and I was looking at the daily chart. Also, we'll start off on the monthly. Um, we are waiting for this month because obviously we've just started, but to have such a large candle to the downside already, if we close below these lows, that would be interesting. However, the weekly isn't very relevant right now, but the daily we did sweep these lows and then pop way back up. 4 hour, however, we didn't break market structure to the upside. We didn't form any fair value gaps. There's really no reason to play this. We also filled the gapping tin for the most part. Missed a couple points, but come over to the 1 hour. We had broken structure to the upside, broke structure to the upside, and then broke back down. We respected VWAP here in pre-market. I do believe I'm gonna be bearish today. I'm gonna be looking for some sells, for some sweeps of liquidity. Alright, 4 hour. What else do we have? This is some sort of... I don't know if that's a fair... I don't know how to draw fair value gaps when there's gaps, honestly. But if I were to draw it like this, it would look like it held really well. So, there's that fair value gap tapped. Again, we were talking about this the other day. There's plenty of gaps, fair value gaps on the way up to be filled. I don't think we'll come back up this high. I don't think we'll come this high. There is this literally the smallest fucking fair value gap here. But again, I don't think... Fuck, where are we at? 1793. Yeah, I don't think we make a 500-point move to the upside for sweeps, or for like filling fair value gaps today. I don't see it happening. Then again, in this type of market, I guess you never know. We're looking to be bearish, so there's no equilibrium that we could look... well, what can we say? We could say equilibrium from... I don't know, I'm trying to use everything. I don't pay too much attention, but equilibrium from these highs to these range lows. We almost hit it. If we sweep these liquidity levels, we could push into it. Alright, that's the analysis though. We're looking to get short. Obviously, like always, if market gives us a reason to flip our bias, we will, but there's no high impact news today either. So again, I think this shit's just gonna be boop, sweep liquidity, and then just be straight down. I'm just never respective of my rules. I don't even know why I entered here. Can I tell you why? Do I have a reason for entry? I entered because I saw this little fucking, I don't know, wedge thing. We didn't sweep liquidity, we edged it when market opened. And my theory is we're going to come up and actually sweep this now. And that's going to be our liquidity grab. Maybe reach these highs. We are still pushing. It is what it is. I got scared out because I was up fuck, what? $3 grand? What am I up? What did I just grab? I think this average is out though, so I don't think I can even... No, it's Tuesday. 24.31. Okay, so I closed a little lower than I would have liked to, but fuck, bro. What am I supposed to do? This shit is so volatile. Yeah, so now we're gonna wait, see if we can find some shorts. We might even pass the account today. If it's not today, it'll be what's today, Tuesday? If we don't pass by the end of the week, we're the most dog shit trader ever. I need to document this because this is what the greed does to me. I fucking start thinking oh my god, I'm gonna pass. And I'm currently in... You guys are about to watch me fucking lose so much money. I'm currently in this fucking long because I thought the 15-minute was gonna fucking push and run these highs. And I just spammed the button and there goes 2,500 just like that. So, fuck me. We're down $1,000 today because we were stupid. That's why you don't full port one, especially in a fucking volatile market like this. Wow, bro, I get so carried away. That I'm so disappointed. Oh my god, bro. How do I let this happen though? I get greedy. I look at the number, I'm oh my god, I'm gonna pass today, and then dude, that's fucked. Bro, it's literally just repeat patterns too. This shit's gonna push higher too. I just shouldn't have taken... I lost one trade, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to make it back. And I start spamming the button. And, like, bro, it's days like this where I'm literally at war with myself mentally. Like, I don't know how I didn't honestly lose this account. I've had days where this drawdown would have failed me. So I don't know how I still have it. But, dude, I just, like, I'm battling my mind in the market. And I'm just, fuck, bro. I was literally at 105,000 earlier. And then I just, like, I don't know. I have no words for myself right now. This is one of those moments of vulnerability where it's like you either make or you break, you know? I literally said I was bearish instead of, like, continuing to jump in because I'm like, you know, I made my money in the up move, bro. And then, like, instead of, like, being patient and, like, okay, it could continue higher, but there's no guarantee, I'm just, like, jumping in longs and jumping in shorts and over leveraging and just, like, oh, I see the first loss and it just snowballs so quickly. Like, I could have, like, still been at, you know, 103K. Like, I'm fucking 5,500 away again. 6,500. Like, I gotta stop doing this. I get so obsessed with the idea of passing that I, like, completely forget about anything else that's going on. And it causes me to spiral for sure, especially when I'm at, you know, 105,000 and I'm like, I'm so close. And then I go in for another trade and I lose like 700 and it's like, okay, that should be fine, right? You know, like, okay, I lost 700. That sucks. I'm a little further. I'm still up. I was still up 1,700, bro. I was still up 1,700 on the day. And now I've lost, like, from that peak point, I'm down, like, damn near 4,000. What the fuck am I doing? This is something that I for sure have to meditate on. And we'll be back and better tomorrow.